As you guys can see by the title, today's video is going to be an unboxing. It's not really an unboxing because the item is not in a box. It's more of in a bag, so it's like unbagging. But you guys know what I mean. I received some pre-twisted spring twists from Beyond Beauty a while back. If you are familiar with my channel, I have worked with Beyond Beauty before. They are a store on Amazon, so I will leave all the information down below in the description box so you guys can check them out. But earlier last year, they sent me some hair to do spring twists and passion twists, and they reached out to me again and they asked me to review their pre-twisted spring twist, which I have not tried the pre-twisted spring twist at all in general. So since I'm not going to be doing a hair tutorial with this hair just yet, I told them that I would basically show you guys how the hair looks and give my first impressions about the hair until I decide to install the hair. So the hair came into this bag. As you guys can see, it says Beyond Beauty, and the hair came in this bag. I think there's about 6 packs of hair in here. We're getting ready to see. So there is 6 packs of hair in here. And here is how the hair looks. So again, these are pre-twisted spring twist. Now, if you are not familiar with spring twist, I will link down below my tutorial using the Beyond Beauty spring twist hair so you guys can see how I did it. But these are pre-twisted, so this is how their pre-twisted hair looks. This shade is in black, so I haven't had any black spring twists yet, so I told them to go ahead and send me some black. So this is how it looks. And of course, along with the hair, they sent me this a little mirror. They sent me a couple of beads. They sent me the clips to help hold your hair back, which I absolutely love. I love it when they send these. And of course, I got another crochet needle. So just based off looking at the hair, the twist pattern looks pretty good. It's pretty intact. So hopefully when I do install these, I won't have the problem that I had with the pre-twisted passion twist that I did a while back. Hopefully my hair is able to stay within these pre-twisted spring twists. We're definitely going to see, because I'm not going to do I'm not going to do the usual crochet that you guys normally see when people braid their hair straight back and just crochet it in. I actually want to do individual. I just don't like it like that personally. So of course, when it is time for me to install this hair, I will be doing a hair tutorial for you guys. So that's not going to be anytime soon though, because I am going back to passion twist, but I definitely will have that video out for you. But yeah, the hair right now, like I said, I like the twist. It's really soft at the end. Some of these are a little frizzy, which is fine, but I think I might like these. So thanks again, Beyond Beauty, for reaching out to me and asking me to review your pre-twisted spring twist. I am looking forward to doing a hair tutorial with these spring twists to see how they come out. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. And if you are a new subscriber, welcome. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, as well as the post notification bell, so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.